How to pay with Affirm on HelloFresh. Hi everybody, welcome back. So let's just go ahead and check that out. First of all, launch open HelloFresh onto your device, tap the profile, and you could find your wallet or payment section. Or you could also go ahead and look past orders, or you could go to food profile and all that stuff. You will find no such options where you will be able to pay with Affirm. Now, HelloFresh does not currently offer Affirm as a direct payment option at checkout. However, you can still use Affirm to pay for your meal kit by using a virtual card or Affirm card as well. So for that, you have to use or install Affirm app onto your device, sign in to and search for HelloFresh in the search bar. If it does not appear, select the option to pay at store not listed or request a virtual card. Then you have to enter the total cost of your HelloFresh order, and you have to review and select the installment plan that works for you. And once approved, Affirm will provide you with a temporary 16-digit card number, expiry date, and CVV code. And that is how you will be able to pay with Affirm on HelloFresh. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.